Hi, John from Diode Dynamics. Today we're installing our SS3 fog light kit, as you can see here, on this 2010 and up 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. For this installation, you'll need a 10mm socket, a 5/32 Allen key, a flathead screwdriver, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver. Coming over to the driver's side of the vehicle, we'll be removing 5 10mm bolts holding on the fender liner. You're gonna have 3 on the side and 2 on bottom. Coming underneath the vehicle, we'll disconnect the factory fog light harness. Then, we'll remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding on the fog lamp. Coming from outside the vehicle, we'll be installing our SS3 into our included bracket. We'll take our supplied nuts and drop them on either side of the SS3 with the nylon lock ring facing the inside. Next, we're going to attach the included bracket to our SS3. Make sure the DD logo is up top and the DT connector is on bottom. Then we'll take our supplied hardware and feed it through the side of the bracket into the SS3, fastening it only hand tight so we can leave room for adjustment later. Coming back underneath the vehicle, we'll slide our bracket in place. Then we'll refasten our 2 factory screws. With our bracket installed, we can now take our DT connector and plug it into the back of the SS3. Once that's secure, we can take the other end and plug it into our factory fog light harness. At this point, you'll want to test your lights. If they don't turn on, don't worry. Just take this connector, flip it 180 degrees, and they should turn on just fine. Coming out from underneath the vehicle, we'll be making our final aiming adjustments. Once we have that aim where we like, we can go back underneath the vehicle and fasten those 2 5/32 Allen bolts on the side of our SS3 bracket. To complete the installation on the driver's side of the vehicle, we'll take our 5 10mm bolts and reinstall the fender liner. Coming over to the passenger side of the vehicle, the installation process is exactly the same. The only addition is you'll have a cover blocking the back of the factory fog lamp. To remove this cover, you'll take a flathead screwdriver and press down on the release tabs on the left and right hand side. Then you can pull back to pop it off. As you can see with our SS3 fog light kit installed, not only do you have a huge increase in light output over your factory fogs, but you also have a more clean and modern appearance. If you're looking for an SS3 fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.